Welcome to the brief presentation of Making Different folder of annexure of your CE marking technical file. Please note that in this video, two annexures will not be discussed. The annexures will be discussed with you in person. Please keep the Excel file of the product list in this folder. Please ensure that this list is exactly the same as per the list submitted to the notified body for certification. Please ensure that the name and model numbers, along with spelling, must match with the product names and model numbers in the technical file and in different technical documents. Classification document. As per Annexure 9 of Medical Device Directive. You can refer the MEDF guideline number 2.4 to ensure that the class and conformity assessment mentioned in the technical file is correct. Classification for biological evaluation is based on nature of contact and duration of contact, with reference to ISO 10993-1 standard. Refer Table 1 for the initial evaluation tests for consideration. Please maintain product drawings, block diagrams, circuit diagrams of all the products in the scope of certification in this folder. Please ensure that individual product has individual folder, and you are maintaining the technical documents in the respective folder only. Please make individual folder for individual product. Keep the label sample of individual product into individual folder with the name of that product. Refer the appropriate standards for making your draft label, like EN 980 and Table D of 1-1. Instructions for use, user manual, operational manual, along with service manual, should be part of this folder. Names and model numbers must be exactly matching with the product names in the technical file. EC declaration of conformity of individual product will be in this folder. Names and model numbers must be exactly matching with the product names in the technical file. The classification and individual's applicable standards must match with the technical file and essential safety requirements. Essential safety requirements, as per amended standard 2007/47/EC, will be part of this folder. Check the statements made to demonstrate the compliance with the essential safety requirements and ensure that you are agree with it. Different declarations, like the product doesn't have any animal tissue, human blood derivatives, and other declarations, like cross-compliance, will be part of this folder. Please check that the statements in the declaration are correct, and you are agree with it. We are going to maintain the risk assessment as per 14,971, and which shall cover the requirements of EN 60601-1. In this folder, please ensure that the risk assessment which you finalize must be in line with N 60601-1, and ISO 14971 as well. Please maintain process flowchart or manufacturing flowcharts, which shall indicate the main processes, and we shall also indicate about in-house processes and outsourced processes. Please maintain product-wise quality plan / inspection check sheet / control plans of all the products. In the scope of certification, these control plans must cover the receipt inspection, in-process inspection, and final inspection. Your control plans against different features of the product, essential performance of the product, and safety of the product must be covered in the quality plan. The quality plan of outsourced processes must also part of this folder. Please maintain the valid European representative agreement, and the agreement must cover all the products in the scope of certification. It must be the scan of original copy. Names and model numbers must be exactly matching with the product names in the technical file. Literature citation. Clinical evidences for all individual products must be maintained in this folder. The name of the folder must be with the name of the product. Literature citation means the information on the public domain about the similar products, journals, or white papers related to the technology, information about safety and performance of the similar product, of the world leaders, and scientific literature available on the public domain. You can make the table with a clear demarcation, like literature citation related to product safety, literature citation related to essential performance, literature citation related to the technology, literature citation related to reported incidents of the similar products into the market. NB want to confirm that the device performs as intended by the manufacturer. The device does not pose any undue safety concerns to either the recipient or end user, and any risks associated with the use of the device are acceptable when weighed against the benefits to the patient. Please refer the MEDF guideline number 2.7. Ensure that the information and data must be quality and relevant to the device in question. Notified body also evaluate the methodology to collect the data. Please maintain the successful test reports of the product as per the standards which are mentioned in Essential Safety Requirements. The product-wise folder also must include the material safety data sheet of the high-integrity components and material. In case of outsourced processes, the supplier agreement must be maintained in this folder. Please ensure that all the components which you get from your suppliers, as per your own requirements or design, you must have a clear agreement which talk about product quality and quality management system requirements as per ISO 13485. The supplier agreement can also be made in case of original equipment manufacturing agreement. Please maintain the product catalog of the product which you are putting in the market. In the product-wise folder, you can maintain individual catalogs. The documents which are collected from your supplier during initial supplier evaluation, and the documents which you collect on a routine basis, must be maintained in this folder. Please ensure that these documents are related to the product under certification only. Please maintain product-wise folder. The result of packaging qualification activity shall be part of this folder. If the packaging is similar for all the products, you can maintain just only one, but if the packaging for a different product is different than individual packaging qualification for individual product, must be maintained in the individual product folders. Please maintain your certificates like ISO 9001, ISO 13485, GMP, USFDO, etc. Please maintain the legal documents of the company which can demonstrate your legal entity like Certificate of Incorporation, Shop Act, etc. In case of any query, please contact to us at this email ID. We will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you very much for your time.